Welcome to my Book Showroom, the world's greatest WordPress plugin for authors, editors, agents, and publishers. This tutorial is going to cover how to install the tutorial data. So from your My Book Showroom dashboard, click on Tutorial Data and install the tutorial data. What's happening in the background is going to fetch this from dmrstech.com and it's going to install 9 sample books into your book catalog. Don't worry, when you're done with these books and have done your experimenting and understand how everything works, you can come right back here and uninstall the tutorial data cleanly. Okay. And you'll get this success message that it was successfully installed. We can verify that by going to our books page. And now you'll notice you have 9 new books. Now, for now, these are published on your website. So if you wanted to make them private, that's fine. But regardless, we have a couple of series, a couple of new authors, a couple of universes, lots of genres, a couple of collections. So it's going to give you a really good walkthrough of the capabilities of this plugin. It's just that simple. You can verify that everything is here by editing any one of these books, and you'll see that they have all of the sample data that you would need to understand everything about your books. Once again, when you're done with the plugin data, the tutorial data, you come back to tutorial data, click remove tutorial data. It will remove everything, including the videos and audio and book covers. It removes all of the tutorial data from your WordPress installation cleanly without damaging anything else. So enjoy it and watch some further tutorial videos to get an understanding of how the My Book Showroom plugin gives you some really amazing features to display your books. I wish you every success in the future.